I'm Dick Saslaw. I'm the State Senate Majority Leader, and we're back in Richmond to allocate the American Rescue Plan money. One of the many items that we're going to deal with is public health. You may have read in the paper that 5 of our public mental hospitals had to quit taking patients because of lack of money and space, and we intend to rectify that problem during the next few days. Another $350 to $400 million will be spent to aid small businesses throughout Virginia who suffered as a result of the pandemic. Many of them closed permanently. Some have closed and reopening, but they're struggling. And part of the American Rescue Plan money is to provide help for them and get them back on steady ground again. One of the other areas of major concern has been the Unemployment Trust Fund. VEC was not prepared for the size of this pandemic. In the first 4 months of it last year, they processed more people than they did combined in the previous 5 years. We are going to add almost $800 million to the fund and about another $100 million that will update their computer system and allow them to bring on more people. Another area of major concern is the money that we're going to have to allocate for public schools. Our key priority is to get the kids back in the classroom full time. And we are going to help provide the money to bring up to speed the kids that fell behind as a result of the virtual learning. Many of them, and I'll deal with this in a minute, did not have access to broadband. We're going to try to bring them up to speed. Also, many of the schools are going to need to redo their HVAC systems. There is money in the American Rescue Plan, and we will be providing that as needed to the various public schools throughout the Commonwealth of Virginia. Another major priority is to fully deploy broadband across the Commonwealth of Virginia and to put a situation in place where 100% of the people who live in this state have access to broadband. As you know, over the last year or so, as a result of not having that access, and as I mentioned before, many kids fell behind. We intend to fix that situation so it never occurs again. So we will be allocating a substantial amount of money, over $700 million. These are 5 of the major areas we're going to deal with. There are many others that are almost just or equally important.